One of my favorite ways to leverage data is using it to predict the future. For example, having the omniscience to confidently know when demand will surge or drop is truly remarkable in my opinion. And under the hood, there's a lot of magic that happens to produce accurate forecasts. And in this week's Blog of the Week, some of that magic is exposed. Justin DeLisi is our winner with his blog titled How to Best Use Pharmaceutical Supply Chain Data in Snowflake. While this blog is designed for a very specific audience, just about anyone who is interested in forecasting can benefit from reading it. The blog explores how Snowflake can transform pharmaceutical supply chain management by centralizing data and optimizing it for predictive analytics. It covers challenges like disruptions in supply chains and demonstrates how Snowflake's capabilities, like its SAP integration and partnership with tools like LandingLens, enable pharmaceutical companies to enhance transparency, diversify suppliers, improve transportation logistics, and optimize manufacturing processes. All of that in one blog. If using AI to improve your supply chain interests you, this blog is definitely worth a read. Thank you so much, Justin, for putting this together. I think this is like your 60th something blog and 4th time winning blog of the week, so congrats. Thank you so much.